Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this tutorial, let us learn cost loading from BoQ in Primavera P6. This is my sample house construction schedule that I would be using here in this example. And this is my Excel BoQ. BoQ is nothing but bill of quantities. Okay. Generally, we have the bill of quantities in Excel, and if you want to load the same into Primavera P6, watch this video completely. So this is my sample house construction schedule. Okay. First, let us get into the resources tab and add a new material resource. Name it as material 1. Click next. Select the type as material and mention the unit of measure as $, and click next. Put price per unit and default units per time and max units per time as 1. Okay, click on next. Now you're done. Now select all the activities and apply this material resource for all the activities. Okay, now it got added. Now go to the Excel. Based on this BoQ, let's distribute the budgeted cost equally among the type of activities. For example, civil, my budget is $20,000. So there are 2 activities in the Primavera. So mention 10,000 for each activity in the budgeted cost field in the resources tab of details section. And for structural, I'm mentioning 20,000. And for finishing, I'm mentioning as $5,000 per each activity. Okay, if your schedule is big, you may use the global change option to distribute the specific cost. Once you are done doing this, at the project level, you can view the total budgeted cost as $70,000, which is exactly matching with our Excel BoQ. Okay, as this is small schedule, I am doing it directly in the P6, but it would be fun using the global change when you have a lot of activities in the schedule. Now if you go to the details section in the resource tab, you will observe that the budgeted units is not equal to the budgeted cost. Okay, but let's make it equal using the global change. I'm going to the tools and clicking on the global change and select subject area as activity resource assignments and type the rule as if where a resource type equals material, then budgeted material units equals to budgeted cost, and click on OK and click on apply changes. Okay, click on commit changes. Now you can cross check this. The change has been done. Now once you're done, you can export this schedule into Excel showing relevant columns with specific cost fields like at completion cost, budgeted total cost, and remaining cost. Okay, once you export it, you can then share the particular exported Excel with your procurement and contracts team in the company to validate and mention the correct cost figures by each line item if there is any change. And then you can import the final Excel into your Primavera P6 to make the budgeted cost fields as a final one. Got it? So friends, this is all about the cost loading from BoQ in Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe at dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.